do our startup while we're in here for you. Key on. Starter button's right there. Great running truck. Babbitt beater, weren't these called that? Showing 83,800 miles. All gauges appear to work. Manual choke. Manual throttle control if you need it. Headlight switch is right here. Those work. Signals, add-on. I don't know if they work or not. Don't seem to. Cool little fan, also an accessory I'm sure was added when new. Radio delete. Wiper control. Wipers do not work. Rear mirror's nice. Cigarette lighter. Glove box. Pretty interesting. This thing was very well documented by the owner. You can see that there's some pencil and pen documenting miles, fill up, maintenance, valve lash, adjusted tappets, valve job, new points. Over the back. This dates all the way to 72, best I can tell. Ground valves often here. Negative ground pickup. Pretty dang cool. Brand new tires, stuff like that. Spare parts, and then there's some pest deterrent, mothballs kind of stuff in there. Glass is in really good shape. This driver window does have a crack going through it, but it's not broken yet. But that would be one you'd want to replace. Everything else is in great shape. Alright, I'm gonna grab the GoPro and we'll go through the gears. Reverse, 3 on the tree, so you got up and, well, to you and up, reverse. And first, to you and down. Second, it'll just go there on its own, but you just flip it forward and away from you and up. That's second gear. This old thing's geared kind of low. In the winter time, there's a little story about these old trucks. You put some chains on the back, drop it in low gear. Doesn't matter how deep the snow is, you're gonna get through it. High gear. Now I can tell you firsthand it's not fast, but I don't think that's why you buy a 3 on the tree straight 6 75-year-old classic truck. You're either going to modify this thing or you're going to keep it all original farm truck style and just cruise it. So judging by the book in the glove box, this truck has had the same owner from what looked like 65 to 72. highest speed, it's about 45, 50 on a downhill, alright? But she drives really nice. Got some newer radial tires on it. Rides pretty nice. You do have the heavy duty rear suspension. If you looked at that, there's some overloads on top of those original leaf springs. Just for farm truck duty, you know, that's what these trucks were for. One of my personal favorite trucks is this era of truck. I mean, there's about 4 wires and 3 hoses, manual transmission, manual brakes, manual steering. You know, everything's serviceable. And if it all works together, it's a really enjoyable drive. Steering's nice and tight. The heater core is bypassed on the firewall. If you look at that, you get plenty of engine heat just with the design of this cab. Brakes are great. They'll skid if you want them to. Let me know in the comments on YouTube what you guys would do with this truck. You know, I like lowered trucks and all that, but I don't know. I think I might just leave this one alone if it was mine, you know. Leave it alone. Put either a white wall or a 1-inch white stripe wall tire on there. Just drive it. You know, I don't live too far from work. I could probably get away with driving something like this every day. Straight 6, plenty of torque, good power all the way around. Really a good engine. Right into a headwind right now, so we got some wind noise coming with the visor. Seems like it might be coming in through that window sill on the passenger side. It's not whistling, but there is some wind noise. Alright you guys, check it out, frankmanmotors.com. Any questions, give us a call, leave a comment on YouTube. While you're on YouTube, give me a like, share, comment, watch another one of my videos. All those things help my channel. Other than that, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.